Charlie, what on earth are you doing? You've been sitting on this chair for days now. What's the matter? Charlie, what is it? I need a job. Well, heck yeah, you need a job. I don't want you turning into a big fat lump like your father. Don't ever say that about my father. God rest his soul. Yes, I know. You say that every day. Charlie, there was a house open for sale for a very low price. Maybe you could do something good with your life for once and turn it into an adoption center for all the kids that don't have homes. That's lame. That is not lame. Fine, I'll do it. Ah! On my couch. He's so stupid. So this is the place for sale. Well, this is supposedly going to be the adoption center. Yay! Okay, let's go. Glad I bought the place. I could finally sit still for once. Let me get the key. I left it in the car. Ah! Okay. Ah. Oh, it's beautiful and it's huge. Now where do I put my chair? Oh, perfect place over here. Right there. Yeah. No, even better place right there. No, I gotta keep it there. Yeah, I have to. Charlie, thank goodness that our house is only a block away. You can't leave the door open like that. People could come in. Charlie! What? Are you gonna open? I'm gonna open. Jeez. Give me some time, woman. Jeez. Go buy me some furniture for these lovely children. Nice try. But fine. But for the children, not for your big fat butt. And I'm shutting the door. Oh. Oh. What in the world? What's all that noise that's not making me sleep? Charlie. It's me, Mary Beth. Now, I got some furniture. That's a little of furniture. Oh. Couch! No, Charlie. This isn't for you. This is for the children. Now, let me put this into place while you go back home and take a nap. That sounds like a plan. I think I should run the place instead. No, you aren't. Guess I might. I'm so annoying. Such a shame. There's no room for this couch. Yes, there's room for the couch in my room at my house. Yay! Oh, Charlie, I think you need to go to a mental hospital. Oh. Oh, Charlie.